So the last key skill I'm going to show you is how to do something called conditional formatting. Now, conditional formatting allows you to change the colors depending on how something looks. So I'm going to say here that if I am spending £100, I'm spending too much. So what I can do here is I can highlight all of these, and if I go to formatting, I've got conditional formatting. I can now say, all right, format the cells if, all right, I'm going to need to move this, okay, to change this if it is greater than or equal to 100, all right? So if it's greater than or equal to 100, and I can choose my style here, I'm going to say red, all right? So I'm going to press done. And then I can also say, I can add another rule, all right, that says if it is less than, all right, 100, that the default value is green. Now you can obviously customize that and change that. But now watch what happens. Whenever I change that to 99, that becomes green. But anything over 100 or 100, it will change the color to red. Just a quick recap, that is on, all right, format and conditional formatting. And that is how you do that in a spreadsheet on Google Sheets.